Hello, I'm Pauline Bradley Sharp. I'm the Secretary of Hirst Wood Regeneration Group, and this is our latest project, Hirst Wood Nature Reserve. Please come in. We are a small group of local people who over the last 20 years or so have worked to make our neighbourhood a friendlier and a more pleasant place to live. We had just finished turning an eyesore next to Hirst Lock into a pleasant garden. Now we've turned our attention to the unsightly boggy field next door. We had the land surveyed and we worked out a budget, but then we needed the money. We were lucky enough to find Biffa Award, a multi-million-pound fund that helps to build community and transform lives through awarding grants to community and environmental projects across the UK as part of the Landfill Communities Fund. They were just what we were looking for and happily approved our scheme and gave us the go-ahead to start work. Of course, we also needed plenty of volunteers to do the back-breaking jobs like clearing the land, and we've been really lucky there. We've had several well-attended work days and many volunteers have turned up on other occasions to continue the good work. Overall, we estimate about 250 people have been involved and worked over 2,000 hours. We needed professional help with some of the jobs, and here we were lucky to find Dougie and his team of conservation volunteers. Dougie and his team have contributed another 230 volunteer days. They started by digging out the pond and building the dipping platform. And it wasn't long before neighbours took full advantage. The conservation volunteers built seats, laid out the paths and put up a willow bird hide they had made. Our friends from James built an amazing bird table which they brought up by canal. Local stone wallers repaired the wall and then built a magnificent stone seat and a sundial. One of our volunteers made us a 5-star bug hotel. Saltaire Primary School quickly agreed to get involved. They planted up a special children's garden in school colours and together with local artist Sharon Snelham created this beautiful mosaic to cover an ugly drain. As well as working volunteers, a number of people joined in by donating plants and the area soon started to blossom. As well as flowers, we have planted more than 400 whips to create a living edge for the wildlife and numerous specially chosen trees over various colours, shapes and sizes. Bradford's Lord Mayor was an early visitor and she loved what she saw. And others have had a good look round since. And still the volunteers turn up to make sure everything is just right. So, that's our story. We're getting ready now, we're putting all the finishing touches for our grand opening on the 12th of September. Hope you can come along.